Hey everyone, this is Aditya from Tech Insider India, and today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Samsung Galaxy S22 5G smartphone. Now let's begin with the design of this flagship smartphone by Samsung. This smartphone by Samsung weighs just 168 grams and has a sleek frame. Sporting a premium build, the smartphone makes its presence felt when you are using it. Providing a robust build quality, the S22 is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on both front and back. The smartphone also comes with IP68 water and dust protection rating. Now let's cover some details of the display of the S22. You get a 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display on the S22. This is a beautiful display and you will have a great time watching content on it. Color accuracy and vivid picture quality is what you can expect from the panel. The screen also supports a max refresh rate of 120Hz, which is great for gaming. The display also supports HDR10+, which adds a punch to the colors and viewing experience. There is an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on the smartphone that is quick. You get a stereo setup on the smartphone which complements the display well. And now let's cover the optics on board. You get a triple main camera setup on the Galaxy S22. You get a main 50-megapixel sensor with face detection autofocus. Then there is a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens for creating a bigger frame. And finally, there is a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. The main camera setup can record 8K videos at 24fps, 4K videos at 30 and 60 fps. It can also record 720p videos at 960 fps. The camera also supports HDR10+ and stereo sound recording. The selfie camera is a 10-megapixel shooter that can record 4K videos at 30 and 60 fps, 1080p videos at 30 and 60 fps. Now let's talk about the brain behind the smartphone. The smartphone runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 1 5G octa-core chipset, which delivers smoothly for both generic and complex tasks. As for software, the smartphone runs on Android 12 combined with the Samsung's One UI. The smartphone comes with 3700 mAh battery. It also supports 25-watt fast charging. So guys, that was the quick overview of the Samsung Galaxy S22 5G smartphone, and I hope you found this video helpful.